Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And somebody emailed me the other day, and I was out of town and couldn't really reply. They were talking about the drop shadow and your drop shadow, which is underneath your flyout for it's the drop shadow flyout. And you grab it and you pull it downward, you get a drop shadow, which is a pretty cool effect. I don't really think too much in lasering can do it, but you can actually change the intensity of the shadow to light to a dark and move it around. So let's back up here. And what they really wanted to do, I'm going to go to arrange, break the drop shadow apart, and with my pick tool, pick my drop shadow, and I can actually move my drop shadow wherever I want afterwards. But what they were wanting to do is have the drop shadow come from like the bottom of the letter and make it look like the sun or the light is actually coming like that. That's a pretty cool effect. And the same thing, you can change the intensity of it and pretty much do anything you want to with it. You can go to arrange, break the drop shadow apart, click on the drop shadow, and then you can move it wherever you want it to closer and get some good effects. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.